So, Chris, you're the resident Aston Martin expert. We just got the DB5 off the trailer. So, what are you thinking is wrong again with this?
Well, you can't engage any gears. The clutch hydraulics are working, and I believe that the release bearing has broken up. So we've got to take the interior out.
Yeah.
The seats, the radio, the carpets, the tunnel, and lift the gearbox out through the car.
So have you had to do many of these before?
Quite a lot.
Yeah. With similar gearbox issues, or?
Not so. It's not that common, the release bearing breaking up, but it does happen.
Yeah.
And this may very well be the original clutch from 1964-65.
Yeah. So
it's only done 70,000 miles from new.
Yeah.
So it may be the original clutch, but we won't know that until we get it out.
It'll be interesting to see. So this is the DB5.
Yeah, standard DB5 this is.
And so what were the issues with this when it came in?
The clutch was completely shot, and it was the original clutch from 1964, which in actual fact was obsolete in 1966.
Okay.
So I know it's never had a clutch cover. Might have had a clutch drive plate, but the original clutch was had issues with balance. So they changed the clutch in 1966, and all cars came in for replacement clutches. So it was supposed to be modified.
So you won't have to worry about the clutch for another 50-something years.
I don't know about that.